The loom has a switch, a relay and a power box. The bike has already installed a Thunderbox, which allows you to manage your connections wisely. The package also contains this clamp. This one goes just under the lights if you want to move the lights left, right or up and down. Alright, so we have split the wires. Now these ones gonna go into your Thunderbox. The Thunderbox actually has the inlet for the negative and the positive. The whole function of this is to allow the light to turn on only if the bike's on ACC, otherwise it won't stay on. The bigger clamp goes on the shock absorber and then sits the light on top. Now it's very hard to run this through under the tank, so that's why we need to now take off this big fuse box from here and then run it through. So how we're going to do it, remove the fuse and take out this wire so that we only have single wire running through. Use this tiny flathead, remove that from there, this one comes out, now I've only got one wire. Once you grab the wires from the bottom, you can actually put the wires from the bottom of the tank towards the battery, where you can see there is already some wires. It is a bit of tricky business, but yeah, you will get your head around it. Okay. The positive wire goes into the Thunderbox. It allows you to have multiple connections, so we got another 2 more slots. So we did not add the bottom clamps under the light because we wanted to have it fixed, and the only drawback is the long screws. We need to fix that up.